Hi, my name is Renard Owens, and I'm a mortgage note investor. I've been investing in mortgage notes for the past 6 years, and I recently had the opportunity to take Dave's Puts Confidence in Note Investing Masterclass, and it has helped me tremendously. Dave's ability to break down the numbers and teach note math is second to none, and his mastery with spreadsheets is something that I haven't never seen before. I was able to build my own bid calculator that's going to help me with my future deals down the road. And I can't wait to use it as I analyze my future deals. And I highly recommend this class with Dave Puts. No matter if you're a beginning note investor or you have experience in the note space, this class you definitely can benefit from. Have a great day.